coming from the State Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah. Amid the ban RSS chorus that seems to be growing, the Karnataka Chief Minister says that we didn't mention the RSS and the order was for private organizations. As far as Siddaramaiah, over this growing controversy, calling for a ban on the RSS, especially their programs to be run in government-run institutions. However, the Chief Minister is now of the opinion that we didn't mention the RSS. We said that if any organization conducting a program on government premises must take permission from the district administration, nowhere we have mentioned that it was the RSS. They assumed it was the RSS. Now, what do you mean by any organization? Siddaramaiah says that he cannot respond to whatever Mohan Bhagwat says.
ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು RSS ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅವರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ RSS ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಭಾವಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ RSS ಅಂತ. ಎನಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಭಾಗವತ್ ಹೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Well, Neha is connected with us. Neha, good morning. Isn't it Siddaramaiah's own leader within his government, as Minister Priyank Kharge is concerned, who has been mentioning the RSS, not just of conducting any programs or events on government-run premises, but also if any government individuals or babus or bureaucrats are found to be participating in any RSS event, then disciplinary action would be taken against them?
Well, Amita, that's right. And we've seen that in Karnataka as well, that, a few government officials have faced the heat of the government now. Action has been taken against government officials also for having participated in events of the RSS. Remember, while the RSS had applied for permission to carry out route marches in many parts of Karnataka like Kalaburgi and others, the government initially, of course, declined the permission, and later, after the court's intervention, we saw the manner in which those RSS route marches were allowed. Now you have the Karnataka Chief Minister here responding to Mohan Bhagwat, who was in Bengaluru for 2 days there, delivering a speech. Now you have the Chief Minister here responding, saying that we were not specifically talking about the RSS when the permissions came up, but that it's the inference now of the BJP and of the RSS that they were being referred to, and that at the end of the day, of course, this is being politicized.
All right. Well, as far as Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister, is now concerned, over the issue of RSS, he says that no mention of a particular organization was made, and the Chief Minister is of the opinion that the order was given for any private organizations. We didn't mention the RSS. We say that any organization conducting a program on government premises must take permission from the district administration. Let's once again listen into the Chief Minister.
ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು RSS ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅವರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ RSS ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಭಾವಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ RSS ಅಂತ. ಎನಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಭಾಗವತ್ ಹೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.